Hi everyone. Today I'll be making 3-ingredient queso dip. What all goes into the queso dip? 1 loaf, 16-ounce velveeta cut into cubes. This is 32 ounces, so I'll only be using half of that. 2 cans, 4.5 ounce each, chopped green chilies. These are already diced, but they're only 4 ounces each, but I do have 2 cans. 1 tablespoon taco seasoning mix. This is my own mixture. I will leave the recipe down below. So let's begin. So take a 2-quart saucepan, turn the heat on to medium, put in all of your ingredients, the 1 pound of the velveeta cheese, the 2 cans of the diced green chilies, and the 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning. And heat that for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until cheese is melted and mixture is hot. Sorry for the interruption, but I wanted to show you this beautiful apron that my daughter got me from Mexico. Back to the video. So here is the queso dip, and we'll be serving it with Frito scoops. Let's see what Dave thinks.
That's pretty good.
It's 3-ingredient queso dip.
Oh, really? So, if this is your first time watching one of Sherry's videos, I walked in the door about 4 minutes ago, and I generally don't have any idea what I'm going to be looking at. Sometimes I recognize it, and sometimes I don't. This one's good. Just 3 ingredients. Really?
Velveeta cheese, taco seasoning, and green chilies.
I like this a lot.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.